Hey everybody, Scott here from the Northport Trading Post here with this week's edition of the Rock and Mineral Minute. Today we're going to talk about the three main types of rocks: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary, and I'll give you some examples. The first rock we're going to be going over is a sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are really easy to see. They're in layers. Now, sedimentary, this is a banded iron formation, and it's rich in layers of iron and rich in layers of silica, most likely chert or jasper. Very easy to tell. Anything in layers. This is an example of a sedimentary rock. This is banded iron formation and has oscillating layers that are rich in iron, which is usually hematite, and the other layers are usually rich in silica, like chert or jasper. The next category is metamorphic. Metamorphic means to change from one thing to another. This is a piece of gneiss, and when it changes from one thing to another, it's usually during high heat or high pressure. It's coarse to medium grained, and it's usually banded in appearance. This is an example of a metamorphic rock. This is a piece of gneiss, spelled G-N-E-I-S-S. It's banded in appearance, and it's due to high heat and pressure. It's coarse to medium grained. The next category of rock we have is igneous. That's when molten rock cools and crystallizes. There are two different types of igneous rocks: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive rocks come from deep within the earth. That would be like your granites. Extrusive means that it's closer to the surface of the earth, like basalt. These are two examples of igneous rocks: granite on the left and basalt on the right. There are two categories of igneous rocks: intrusive, which means it's made down deep within the earth. That would be your granite. Extrusive, which is formed close to the surface. That would be your basalt. In your quest for knowledge about identifying the rocks that you find, the best way to do it is get them under three categories: igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary. Start there. Start at the beginning. That'll help. So I'm sure somebody's going to be asking the question, or maybe even you're wondering yourself: Cladopora, Petoskes, stromatoporoids, fossils, and conglomerates, pudding stone, and galgandotillites, they're all considered sedimentary stones. Thanks for joining me for this week's edition of the Rock and Mineral Minute. Know your rocks. Start with the three categories: igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary. Happy hunting.